More people buy Hoover than any other scrubber polisher. One look at Hoover value tells you why. Hoover is so light and easy to use, just 2 fingers guide it. No brush changing. Hoover's twin brushes scrub and polish to give you bright, gleaming floors. Automatically switches itself off too. Backed by famous Hoover quality and reliability and selling at only 27 guineas, Hoover is your best scrubber polisher buy.